How to fix external hard drive not showing up or detected in Windows 11 or 10. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix external hard drive not showing up or detected. The first thing you want to do is click on the search bar and search for Control Panel, then open that up. Now you want to click on Hardware and Sound option. You want to select Power Options, then select Change Plan Settings for whichever plan is selected. Then you want to select Change Advanced Power Settings. Now click on the plus icon next to USB setting, then click on the plus icon next to USB selective suspend settings. Here, you want to click on this drop down and select disabled. So if it is enabled, make sure to disable that. Then click on the apply option, then click on OK. Now you want to check if your external hard drive is now detected. If it is still not detected, then the next thing you want to do is format the drive within Disk Management. So for this, you want to click on the search menu, type in Disk Management. You should now find the option of Create and Format Hard Disk, so click on this. Now you want to locate an allocated space in here. So in my computer, there is no option of unallocated space, but if you find that, go ahead and right click on it, then select New Simple Volume, then select Next. You have to know that this will be formatting the drive, so just make sure you don't have anything saved on it. Now you want to assign a drive letter here. Now go ahead and specify the drive letter and then select Next. Name the drive, then check the box that says Perform a Quick Format. Then click on Next and Finish. After it is completed, it should recognize the drive. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.